Hello everyone, this is Professor Shamal Patil. Today we will be solving second problem on comparative income statement. Okay, so here is the problem given. With the help of information given in the problem, we have to prepare what comparative income statement. Okay, I will read problem for you people. The following is the profit and loss account of Himachal Limited for the year 2019 and its previous year 2018. Okay, and this is the statement of profit and loss. Okay, now we will be preparing comparative income statement in the same format, whatever format is used in the problem, the same format we will be using here. So right, continuing operations as it is. In that, first one is revenue from operations. Okay, so total revenue from operation for the year 2018 is how much? 14,19,736. Okay, the details of revenue from operations is given in note number 1. Here you can see revenue from operations. Gross revenue is how much? 14,42,912, whereas sales returns is how much? 23,176, and after deducting sales revenue, whatever balance is remain, that is net revenue or net sales, which is how much? 14,19,736. And next for 2019, same. First one, net revenue is how much? 16,40,694. How this net revenue has come? By deducting sales returns, that is 27,806 rupees from the gross sales. How much is the gross sales? 16,68,500. Okay. Now write the amount of both the years here in the solution. So right here 14,19,736, where you will write in front of revenue from operations. Okay, in 2018 column. Now next one is 2016. How much is the revenue from operations in 2016? 16,40,694. Okay, now next step is what? We have to make the comparison of current year revenue from operation with the base year. Okay, now here you can see the revenue from operations is increased in 2019 as compared to 2018. Revenue from operations in 2018 was 14,19,736, whereas in 2019 it is 16,40,694, which is how much? How much increase? 2,20,958. So right here 2,20,000. 2,20,958. 958. Now here we have to write plus sign. Why plus sign? Because revenue is increased. So we have to write here plus sign. Now we have to find out what? Percentage. Okay. How you will find out? Here already have written a working note. Percentage of revenue from operations, increase or decrease in the amount of revenue from operation, that is concerned amount, divided by base year amount of concerned item into 100. Now here a concerned item is which one? Revenue from operations. So right here revenue from operations amount. How much is revenue from operations? Increase or increase in the revenue from operations is how much? 2,20,958 divided by base year amount of revenue from operations, which is 14,19,736 into 100, which is equal to 15.56%. Okay, how much? 15.56%. Over. Now next one is after revenue from operation. Here next one is other incomes. Okay, next one is others. So other incomes. So right here Second one, other incomes. How much is other incomes? 22,090 rupees in the year 2018. Here you can check the details how this 22,090 rupees the firm has earned. That is dividend is 7,590, purchase discount 8,500, and profit on sale of land is 6,000. So the total other income of the firm is 20,090 rupees in the year 2018. So right here 20,090 rupees. Now in the next year 2019, how much? 12,824. How this 12,824 the firm has earned? 5,240 from dividend and from purchase discount 7,584. So total is 12,084 rupees. So write the amount in current year column. 12,084. Now make the comparison. Amount of other income is decreased by how much? How much decreased by? How you will calculate? 22,000 minus 12,824, which is equal to 9,266. 9,266. Okay, and percentage, again minus sign, 9,266 divided by 22,090 rupees, which is equal to 41.94 percentage. 41.94 percentage. Okay, now next one is total revenue. So right here total revenue. How much is the amount of total revenue? 14,19,736 plus 22,090 rupees, which is equal to 14,41,824. 824. Okay, 14,41,826. Sorry, 826 in the year 2018, and in the year 2019, 53,518. So right here 16,53,518. Now next one is comparison, whether the amount is increased or decreased. Amount is increased from 14 lakh to 16 lakh. So how much is the difference? 14,41,826 minus 16,53,518 is 2,11,692. 2,11,692. Now we have to find out what? Percentage. How we can find out percentage? Again plus sign. 2,11,692 divided by 14,41,826, which is equal to 14.68 percentage. 14.68 percentage. Okay, other revenue, so total revenue is over. Now next is what? Expenses. So first write the heading expenses. In that, first one is cost of sales. First one is cost of sales. What is the amount of cost of sales for the year 2018? It is 9,26,500. So write as it is amount in the amount column, 9,26,500 whereas in 2019 it is 9,67,798. 798. Now amount, we have to check the amount is increase or decrease. Yes, amount is increase from 9,26,500 to 9,67,798, which is how much? 41,298. How much? 41,298. Now percentages. 41,298 divided by 9,26,500, which is equal to 4.45 percentage. 4.45 percentage. Okay. After cost of sales, next one is finance cost. Here you can check in the notes the details of all the amount of statement of profit and loss account is given in the notes. Okay. Now next one is finance cost. Finance cost. Okay. Finance cost. Note number 4. What is there in finance cost? Only one expenses, that is interest paid. How much interest paid? 8,550 in 2018 and 7,000 in 2019. So only one expense is there in finance cost. So write this finance cost and in front of that write the amount. How much is the amount? 8,550. Okay. Next one is 7,000 for the year 2019. How much it is? 7,000. 7,000. Now we have to make the comparison whether the amount is increase or decrease. It is decrease. Decrease by how much? 8,550 minus 7,000. So right, minus 1,550. Okay, minus 1,550. And now how much is the percentage? Again, we have to write here minus sign. 1,550 divided by 8,550, which is 18.12 percentage. 18.12 percentage. Okay. Finance cost is over. Next one is other expenses. Okay. Next one is other expenses. Here you can check the details of how much other expenses are there. Which all other expenses are there in note number 5. Advertisement expenses. How much advertisement expenses? 93,060 rupees. 93,060 rupees. Okay. Next one. For the year 2019, how much it is? 1,08,274. Next one, selling expenses. First one is administrative expenses, which is 93,062 rupees. In 2018, 2019, it is 1,08,274. Next one is selling expenses. In 2018, it is 1,93,644, and in 2019, it is 2,31,264. And the last one, loss on sale of fixed asset. How much? 2,500 in 2018 and 7,000 in 2019. So the total other expenses for the year 2018 is 2,19,208. Just a second, we need to check here the amount. Okay, the amount of other expenses, total amount is how much? 2,89,208. Okay, 2,89,208. Now take the total here of 2018, 2,89,208. Okay, so right here. Next one, 2019, 3,40,238. Okay, make the comparison. It is increase. Increase means plus sign. How much? 2,89,208 minus 3,40,000 minus what? 3,40,238, which is equal to 51,030 rupees. 1,030 rupees. Okay. Percentages: 51,030 rupees divided by 2,89,000 divided by 2,89,208 into 100 is equal to how much? 17.64%. So plus 17.64%. Okay. Now other expenses are over. Make the total. Okay. Next one is total expenses. Okay, so right here total expenses. How much is total expenses? 12,24,258. How this has come? 9,26,500 plus 8,550 plus 2,89,208. So total is 12,24,258. This is for 2018. Now for 2019, what is the total? 9,67,798 plus 7,000 plus 3,40,238, which is equal to 13,15,036 rupees. 13,15,036 rupees. Now find out whether the amount is increase or decrease. How you will find out? 12,24,258 minus 13,15,036. Okay, so how much? 90,778. So right here plus 90,778. Okay, now percentage. How you will calculate percentage? Divided by 90,778 divided by 12,24,258 into 100, which is equal to 7.41%. So again plus sign, 07.41%. Okay, so total expenses are over. Next one, profit before tax. Okay, just like a previous problem, there are no any exceptional item or extraordinary item. So as I said, whatever format is given in the problem, this as per the same format we have to solve the problem. Okay, so profit before tax. How we can find out profit before tax? Total revenue. How much is the total revenue? 14,41,826. 826 minus 12,24,258, which is equal to 2,17,000. How much? 568. Okay, 2,17,568. Next one, 16,53,518 minus 13,15,036, which is equal to 3,38,482. Here little correction is there. Small correction. 482. Okay. $482. 3,38,482. So write here. Now we have to find out whether the PBT, that is profit before tax, increase or decrease. Make the comparison. It is increase. How much increase? 2,17,568 minus 3,38,482, which is equal to how much? 1,20,914. So right here. ₹1,20,914. Okay. Now find out the percentage. How you will find out percentage? 1,20,914 divided by how much? 2,17,568. Why 2,17,568? Because it is the base year amount of profit before tax. So how much it is? 55.57%. So plus right here 55.57%. Okay. Now next one is after profit before tax, we have to deduct profit income tax, that is tax expenses to arrive at profit after tax. So right here less tax expenses. How much is the tax? For the year 2018, it is 86,076 rupees. 86,076 rupees, and for 2019 it is 1,60,780. 1,60,780. Okay. Now find out whether the amount is increase or decrease. If it is increase, how much? If it is decrease, how much? Amount is increase. Okay. So 86,076 minus 1,60,780 is equal to 74,704. 74,704 Now we have to find out what percentage. So how you will find out percentage? 74,704 rupees divided by base year amount. What is the base year amount? 86,076 rupees into 100 is equal to how much percentage? 86.78 percentage. We can make it here 79. 86.79 percentage. One second. 86.79 percentage. Over. Now last one is profit after tax. Okay. Profit after tax. Now how you will calculate profit after tax? 2,17,568 minus 86,076 rupees. Okay. 2,17,568 minus, deduct the tax, minus 86,076 rupees, which is equal to 1,31,492. 1,31,492. Okay, for the year 2018. And for the year 2019, how much? 3,38,482 minus 1,60,780. 1,60,780, which is equal to 1,77,702. So write 1,77,702 rupees. Okay. Amount of profit after tax is also increased. How much? 1,31,492 minus 1,77,702. So how much is? 46,210 rupees. So right, 46,210 rupees. Now find out the percentage. 46,210 divided by how much? 1,31,492, which is equal to how much? 35.14%. Okay. So write here plus sign. 35 point how much? 14 percentage. 14 percentage. Okay. So this is all about our comparative income statement. Okay. So here in the notes, the details of this information is given. Whatever information is presented in the financial statement, details of that is given in the notes. So you have to refer notes as well as statement, profit and loss account statement, and with the help of that we have to prepare what? Comparative income statement. Okay. So this is the comparative income statement. I hope you have understood. Okay. So this is the problem and here is the solution. Okay. I hope you have copied down the problem and solution as well. Okay. In the next class, we will be solving some more problem on income statement first and then we'll go for balance sheet. Okay. Thank you.